Hi Serendipity boys and girls, how are you doing today? Miss Sandra here. I wanted to show you I am out on a nature walk, and right here I have come across a water canal that starts way down there, and I'm just on this walk with my son. There are lots of pretty things here to see on our nature walk. There's lots of trees all around. All kinds of pretty trees. Some dead trees. So I'm just walking on this canal. And there is my son. There's some more trees up here. And it's so quiet. Where Miss Sandra is, I'm in a place called Colfax, California. And Miss Sandra has a house up here that I like to get away and enjoy some nature. If you boys and girls have not heard of Colfax, California, your mommies and daddies can Google it. It's about 2.5 hours outside of San Francisco, going north, like going to Lake Tahoe. So over here, again, there are some more trees. You hear some birds chirping. So we'll walk a little while more and see what we come across. Over here, boys and girls, are some really pretty white flowers. I'm not sure what kind they are, but they're super, super pretty. And here is still part of the water canal. It's so very quiet, boys and girls. Oh, there's my shadow. Hi! Here's some birds chirping. Let's see what else we find on our nature hike. So if you look, boys and girls, this water is really, really clear. There are no fish in this water because this water is actually drinking water that goes to Miss Sandra's house. It goes through a water filtration system, and then it goes into our homes. So it's nice, fresh water. There's the sun up there shining, boys and girls. I hear some birds. Do you hear them? There's kind of birds all over. All right, we'll walk on a little bit further. My son is riding his bike. More trees. And there are some houses up there. All right. So this is where Miss Sandra likes to come and go for long walks because it's nice and quiet and it's very pretty out here. I hear some more birds. And we're still walking on the canal. Ooh, lots of bugs in front of me. More trees. And this is behind us. This is where we just came from. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on my nature hike, boys and girls. And again, I'm in a place called Colfax, California. And if you don't know where it is, again, have your mommies and daddies Google it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.